Hello everybody, this is Joy. Welcome back to our 成语 series with numbers. The two numbers we'll talk about today are 5, that's 5, and 10, that's 10. So today's 成语 is 五光十色. 五, that's third tone. 光, first tone. 十, second tone. 色, fourth tone. So the first character is 五, and here's how it's written. 1, 2, 3, 4. But even though it's 4 strokes, it looks like 5 lines, right? So that's my way of remembering this character. The second word is 光, and that's light. And I like it because on top you see there are 3 different strokes, and it kind of looks like the sun. It's very bright. But on the bottom you see 2 legs, so it's like a person that's holding up a light. So that word is 光, or light. The third character is 十, and you'll notice that I do this, and this is how a lot of Chinese people speak as well. 十, 10. And that's because this is a big knot. Now, in Chinese culture, people used to tie knots when they counted. And when they reached 10, they would tie a big knot to indicate a unit of 10. 十. And finally, the last word, 色, that's fourth tone. And you can see that there are 2 squares and legs on the bottom. So we have the yin and the yang coming together. They are having sex. But in today's culture, it has evolved to mean the word for color. So, 五光十色, that's 5 lights and 10 colors. Wow, that's super colorful, right? So we can use this 成语 to describe anything that's man-made. For example, lights from a beautiful city or fireworks. So I can say, 香港是个五光十色的城市. 香港是个五光十色的城市. Hong Kong is a very beautiful and brightly lit city. Okay, if you want to find out more, you can check out a longer video on our Chinese Pod website. 下次见, bye bye.
Chinese Pod.